I'm going to walk you through the steps of subtracting fractions with uncommon denominators. It's a three-step process. First step in the process is to find a common denominator for 8 in 4. When I say common denominator, I'm referring to common multiples for each number. A common multiple or common denominator for 8 and 4 would be 8. Step 2 would be to create equivalent fractions with the denominator of 8. The 8 from 7/8 remained an 8, so the 7 will remain a 7. However, the 4 from 2/4 has now been converted into an 8. In order for 4 to become 8, we must have multiplied it by 2, and because the denominator is multiplied by 2, the numerator must also be multiplied by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, final step is to subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3, and the denominator remains an 8. Your final difference is 3/8. One more example, 2/3 minus 1/2. Step 1 is to find a common denominator. A common denominator for 3 and 2 would be 6. We could also use 12. Another option would be 18. My suggestion is to go with the least common denominator. So I'm going to use 6. Create equivalent fractions using a denominator of 6. So for 3 to have been converted into 6, I must have multiplied it by 2. Since I multiplied the denominator by 2, I have to do the same to the numerator. 2 times 2 is 4. Over here, to convert from 2 to 6, it must have been multiplied by 3. So I have to multiply the numerator by 3 as well. 1 times 3 is 3. Last step is to find the difference. 4 minus 3 is 1. Our denominator stays the same. So our answer is 1/6.